Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got the MEFA Me Colorist Solid Cream Gel Polishes in the shade green. And I'll be using some rose gold embellishments today. Now I've started off with the Cocoa and Clear. It's called the Weekend Base. It's their peel off base coat. This is one that you have to cure under a UV LED lamp. So, just keep that in mind. If you want to use a regular peel-off base coat underneath, you can also do that. So, I'm going to cap my fridge here. And I am meticulous about my cleanup before curing under the lamps. So, you'll be seeing a lot of this today. I go all the way around. Even if I can't see anything with my eye, I still do it. I go all the way around, check it all out, underneath, everywhere, because I just don't need any issues. I cured it for 60 seconds, and this is what the MEFA Me Colorist box looks like. I'm going to be using this olive green color today. I just wanted to show you what the pot looks like, or the box, and I'm just using a gel brush and going in with thin coats. So, I was so excited about this. It popped in my head. Olive green with rose gold embellishments. I had to try this. You guys know I don't normally wear a lot of greens. I'm normally, the pinky purple blue kind of girl, but I do love all the polishes. And I was feeling in the mood for something like this. So here we go with our cleanup again. Got the cleanup brush out. Being very diligent. From what I understand, if you let this stuff get on your skin and dry or cure, it can cause allergies. And I might already be a sufferer of this from before when I've played with them. We're going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're going to do another coat. So I'm just trying to be really careful nowadays when I play with gel polish. I don't want to take anything for granted and cause any problems. I've already been struggle busting with the nails and the breaking, and if I'd stopped climbing over fences, maybe this hand would be longer, because I broke these all back climbing over a fence, y'all. But I don't want any more issues, so that's why I'm being very careful. I do prefer regular nail polish, but sometimes you just need that gel application, because once you cure it, it's done. You can go wash dishes, take a bath, go to bed. It don't matter. It's done. It's cured. Rock solid. Alright, curing that for 60 more seconds. And I am mixing things up. I'm using the Model 1's glossy top coat. And that's because I don't own the MEFA one. I don't even know if they have one. I don't know. This collection was gifted to me. And I've never purchased from this company, so I don't know. I did do my cleanup and cured for 60 more seconds, and there's what she looks like by herself. And here is my little wheel of goodies. I am applying the Model 1's base coat to adhere these to my nails. And I've already picked out some different little embellishments to put on my nails today. Now, I really want to get good at this. I want to be able to play with them. I mean, like, you can see I've already got the little triangles at the tops of the other nails, but this is my, like, accent nail. So we're putting a whole bunch of stuff on this little bitty nail. As much as I can fit on here. I would like to get good at them and do, like, the designs where they just look, all enchanting or majestic or whatever you want to call it. Classy. I know this one's not so classy, but I just needed to play with them. I just needed to. So I'm just using Woody. He's got another job today to help me apply these. I'm picking them up with Woody and I'm trying to, place them nicely and, hoping they'll be, stay still long enough. I'm going to cure that under the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the Model 1's glossy top coat again. I'm going to try to, secure these in. I'm not worried about them if they're a little bumpy, just as long as they're not getting caught on stuff, I'm okay with that. I think that they'll turn out pretty good this way. So I'm going to cap that free edge again and again and again, because that's what we do. And I am going to do my cleanup, starting with what I can already see, and then moving on to what it might be invisibly on there. So I was really excited to play with this. If you have any suggestions, or maybe you know somebody out there on the Ube of Twos that is great at this kind of, you know, gem placement thing, let me know so I can go check them out. Gonna get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're done. Here's my final manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.